Good morning, children. How are you? Fine? Very good. Student, today we are going to take a very interesting topic from the chemistry, class 11, topic hybridization. Topic hybridization. But before going to start this topic, you have to subscribe our YouTube channel, press bell icon for getting notification. Thank you. Now, the term hybridization, hybrid, that means the mixing. Actual hybridization term with respect to chemistry, it is a mixing of the atomic orbital. When the same or nearly same energy orbital, they mix to each other and prepare new orbital of exactly same energy. That time the new orbital which are prepared and which having the same energy, that we call the hybrid orbital. It means the orbital which are prepared, they have the same energy. Now here I am taking example. You are watching here the carbon, atomic number 6, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. In ground state, the last two orbitals I am showing here, 2s2, one clockwise and the anti-clockwise. Here the two, 2p, 2px, 2py, 2pz, and here I am pairing the two electrons of 2p2. In excited state, what happens? One electron shift from 2s to 2p. In this way, each suborbital that contain one electron. And what happens if we compare all having the equal energy, and these equal energy orbital we call atomic orbitals or hybrid atomic orbitals. Now, student, there are the 6 type of the hybridization. Number 1, sp. Number 2, sp2. Number 3, sp3. Number 4, sp3d. Number 5, sp3d2. And last one, sp3d3. Now first we discuss the sp hybridization. Under the sp hybridization, 1s and 1p when they have combined and gives two hybrid orbital which are having the same energy. I am taking example here, BF2, beryllium fluoride. As we know that beryllium atomic number 4, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p0. We are watching here, 2p have the nil electron and 2s have the 2. In ground state, these two electrons we filled in 2s, and after that when it's gone to excited state, one electron shifted from 2s to 2px. In this way, sp hybridization arises. Okay. Now the next one, sp2. Look. Student, next one, sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization, 1s and 2p suborbital, they are combined together and gives 3 hybrid orbitals. In this way, sp2 hybridizations occur. When they are combined together, they prepare a very specific geometrical figure, that is triangular figure. Here I am taking the example of BF3. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Now when we pair this electron 2s here, this is 2s, and these are the 2px, 2py and 2pz. One electron move in the 2px and two electron in 2ps. In excited state, one electron shift from 2s to 2py, from here to here. In this way, sp2 hybridization occurs. That means 3 equal energy orbitals develop. Now next one, sp3 hybridization. Under the sp3 hybridization, 1s and 3p suborbital, they combine and give sp3 hybridization. I am taking example CH4. Carbon atomic number 6, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Now, when we fill the electron p, that means 2p, here the 2 electrons singly occupied. 2pz, it is vacant. Now, 1 electron shift from 2s2 to the 2pz. Now, in this way, 4 equal energy suborbital we receive.